How to fix Capcut file not compressing on Android. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store and search for Capcut. Now tap on Capcut and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen and restart the application. If this doesn't fix your issue, keep holding the Capcut icon and tap on App Info. Now go to Storage Uses and tap on Clear Data. Now restart the application to see if your problem is fixed or not. Now select any video. Now tap on Export. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.